How's this working? Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to summon lightning using commands in Minecraft 1.20.6. Still works. Used to work back in the beta days, it still works. So basically what you're going to do is just press slash or press T and then type a slash, and then we're going to go summon. So SUMMON space, and you can just press tab to actually crop this in faster and just delete whatever's here before the colon. Don't delete the colon. So we're going to have Minecraft colon, and then we're going to press L. And in 1.20.6, you can just press tab twice, and it will summon lightning bolt automatically. It's not very loud at the moment, just because I have sound off. But if I were to have sound on, this is what it would sound like. Tis quite a loud thing. Did my microphone just cut out? Then I'm not sure. I'll try and do it again. It probably is more impressive when we're in F5, but you can just sort of do tap enter. Not only can you use lightning bolts to make yourself look incredibly powerful. I mean, look at this. If I do T up enter, I can just summon in a lightning bolt. Wouldn't that be terrifying if you're just a noob who's just joined the game and you're into, maybe not, I'm not sure. Also, we can give ourselves a command block and actually trigger with redstone the lightning bolt. So if we were to go slash give and then space Minecraft colon, and then we just press COMM. Did I type that wrong? Minecraft. Oh, here we go. Okay, so the command prompt is a little bit different. Give and then your player name or @P. Minecraft colon COMM, and then just press tab and it will give you command block. In the old days, you used to have to type it out manually, like one letter at a time. It was painful. But now you can just give yourself a command block just like this. We can go ahead and place that down. And if we go ahead and click on that command block, it'll open up a little tab here, like so. And we can go ahead and put the command in. So we can actually use the tab button. So if you press tab on the side of your keyboard, it will insert command. So we can go slash summon Minecraft, and then we just delete whatever this is, and then we just type lightning bolt. We can actually change the coordinates. So if we put 3 tildes here, and we want the lightning bolt to summon upwards, for example, each of these tildes is a different direction. So the middle one is up, and the other ones are the side-to-side directions. We can go ahead and put, say, 3 in here. This is just an example. We can go ahead and hit done. I honestly don't know how these other options work, the impulse, unconditional, and needs redstone. I think that just sort of toggles some basic stuff. I haven't really played around with that much. But if we get any sort of redstone and trigger this command block, it will now summon a lightning bolt. I think I might just turn the sound off because that was very, very loud. But basically you get the idea. If you set it to 3 blocks above, the lightning will summon. If you set it to just nothing, then it will summon directly on the command block. And you can also trigger multiple of these. If we press Control while looking at the command block, it'll copy the NBT data, which means that it will keep the command inside it. So if we were to stack these, we can now have a chain of command block. I'm just going to do a very small chain. This is just for example purposes. This is very basic commands in Redstone. It's not super computer science. Like when I was younger, I used to just spend hours programming command blocks to try and build computers with command blocks, but I've completely forgotten how to do that. If we were to trigger this, it would go ahead and give us an entire chain of lightning. So this is just an interesting thing you can play around. I'm going to end the video there. Thank you for watching, and have an excellent day. Goodbye.